Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the week of September the 12th. So as usual, I have gone to the bank. I have my cash here, I have my cash envelopes, and I have a new wallet that my dad got me. So I'm excited to show that to you. So let's go ahead and start with counting this money so you guys know how much I am stuffing this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So $200 for this week. So I went ahead and made some new envelopes that would fit nicely inside of my wallet. The other ones were too wide and too tall, so these fit perfectly, and I just love this. Is this not the most beautiful wallet you've ever seen? I am in love with this wallet. Okay, well, let's start with spending, and then once we get done with the stuffing, I'll show you the inside of the wallet and show you how my envelopes fit. So first, I've got my personal spending envelope. I put 20 in here for last week. I still have that 20 here, and I'm going to be adding 20 again today. So I'm hoping that this, the money in this envelope is going to accumulate for a little while, because I plan on using the money for stickers. So that's personal spending. Then we have groceries. Now, I did do a grocery haul video, and I showed you guys that I spent, it's like $91 and some change at Walmart, and this is what I have left. So $5, $6, $7, $8. And I'm going to be adding 100 to this today. Make sure there's nothing in there. So here's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And with the price of groceries, I'm not doing the 100 envelope challenge right now. I've just kind of pumped the brakes a little bit, but I will get back to it. So now I have $108 in this envelope. And I didn't get much last week for as much money as I spent, but we have a lot on hand. So that is, that's good. So this is my envelope for groceries. Then we have lawn care, and I should have 75 in here. Made some change, so here's 20, 40, 60, 75, and our guy still has not come to mow the lawn, and if it gets much longer, I may just lose my Chihuahua. It's getting that long. So that's for lawn care. And I was thinking this property is it's pretty gnarly to mow. The guy, he pretty much just weed eats the whole thing. But the guys that came before him, they did mow with a riding lawnmower. And I've been thinking that maybe during the off season that I might continue to contribute to this envelope and possibly get a mower, because I think as I lose weight, it will be easier for me to get out and do yard work. So I think that I'm going to try that. We'll see. Then we have gas for my car, and I spent the $20 in here earlier today. I went and put gas in my car. It actually gave me about a half a tank of gas, which is fine, because other than going to the grocery store, I don't have any plans for the next week. And then last but certainly not least is my daughter Carol Ann, and I did give her money last week, so this envelope is empty, and I should have $80 left to put in her envelope. So here's 20, 40, 60, 80. And that is going to give her enough money to fill up her gas tank one time and then give her $20 to spend. So let me show you my wallet. So this is kind of like this reddish brown, and I love the Coach emblem. So there's the front, there's the back side. I like the simplicity of this wallet. It has a zipper. All right, I realized I had some of my cards flipped around where you could see my first and last name, and I'm not trying to put that kind of information out on the internet, so I had to move some things around. But there are a ton of slots for credit cards. There's one large slot in the back, and then you have all the credit card, and this is like a Metro card for DC, my insurance card, and then on the other side it looks the same. Got my COVID card back there, so lots of room. So there's a large slot in the back that has some personal information in it, and then it's got another section here, and then of course it has the slot for the change. And let me show you how these envelopes fit. I just made these the other day. So I'll put half of them on this side and see how nicely those fit. And then I'll put the other two on this side. So that's what it looks like with all of my envelopes in there. And I just think my envelopes are super festive. And this is a heavy duty zipper, so it can handle the envelopes. And of course the envelope with my daughter's money, that will be coming out of this wallet soon. So let me tell you what I've got planned. I have a couple of review videos that I need to do. One is from Nail Addict. They sent me some gel polish and a UV light. I need to review that for you guys. I also got some tips and glue off of Amazon so I can continue to do my nails. These are just Kiss nails. They're the full cover tips, and I just glued these on, but the others are clear and will need to be polished. So I figured that I can do the Nail Addict review, which is so overdue. I should have done that one a long time ago. And then I had another company reach out to me and send me some jewelry to show you guys. So I have that. And I'm trying to think if I have anything else to review. Maybe just those two items. But I'm excited. I have some things coming for you. And then, of course, later on this week, I'll do a sinking fund stuffing. I will do a September paycheck number 2 budget and all of those good things. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.